Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make beautiful crochet pink earrings. They are perfect for adding a touch of charm to any outfit, and the best part is they are super easy to make. So grab your crochet hook and let's get started. Starting the magic ring. To begin, create a magic ring by wrapping the yarn around your fingers and pulling through to form a loop. Crocheting the circle. Next, chain 3 and work 11 double crochet stitches into the magic ring. Slip stitch to join the round. For the next round, chain 3 and work 2 double crochet stitches into each stitch round. Slip stitch to join. Continue increasing by working 2 double crochet stitches into the first stitch and 1 double crochet into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern around, slip stitching to join. For the final round, single crochet into each stitch round. Slip stitch to join and fasten off, leaving a long tail for sewing. Thread the needle with the long tail and sew the earring hook to the top of the crochet circle. Trim any excess yarn and weave in the ends using the needle to skewer them. Repeat for the second earring. Repeat all the steps to make the second earring to complete the pair. And there you have it, your beautiful crochet pink earrings are ready to wear. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more crochet dies. Until next time, happy ending. Thanks for watching this video.